Number 35, double. Nawani number 35, break to 4. Pass to number 16. Number 16, pull up tempo to 4. Pass to number 18 again. Now number 35. Pass to number 19. Pass to number 2. Alade, pull up tempo, no good. Now pass to number 5. It's to 4. Pass to number 18. 2 over 3. Double. Number 16 pound away. Number 16 to 4. Pass to number 18. Pass to number 8. Number 8 to number 3. Double. Number 7. Pass to number 15. Number 15. 2 over 3. Double. Pass to number 18, pass to number 8, sumubok kontres. Double, nakuha ni number 18. Wala, nakuha ni number 35, double. Nakita number 5, double, nakuha ni. Wala din. Hayuk, double. Same boy. Number 5, double. Number 3. Piasa number 18. Number 18. Binigay kay number 19. Nagpali ka na siya. Number 25. 2-4. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Pull up jumper. 2-4. Okay, number 3. Sumaksak. Number 5. 2-4. 25. Sumaksak. No. Nakaripon ni number 25. Pass to number 19. Binigay kay number 2. Nakuha ni number 5. Nahuli number 19. Pass to number 2 to 4. Pass to number 12. Pass to number. Ano number mo? Narito ni TV Alade. Number 2. TV Alade to 4. That's good. Now number 7. Nakuha ni number 3. Pass na kay number 19. Napakabit mo. Number 19. Foul. Foul. Number 7. First special foul. Number 7. Noble. Nakuha ni number 25. Pass to number 2. Alade. Binigay ni number 19. Easy to 4. Now number 5. Number 5. Nahuli ni number 2. Number 2. Pass to number 19. Napakaganda nun. Now number 25. Number 25. Kasak na. Double. Nakuha ni. Number 24. Pass to number 19. Pass to number 25. Number 25. Piasa kayo na. Nakuha ni number 25. Binigay. Number 19 to 4. Pull-up jumper to 4. Oras natin 3 minutes exactly. Now number 7. Pass number 4. Now number 7 to left. Number 7. Pass to number 5. Number 5. Number 3. Number 35 to number 5. Who's started? Number 2. Number 3. Number 3. Pass to number 11. Napakaganda na. Pero wala. Nakuha ulit. Foul. Who's started? Binigay number 18, pinasa ang number. Number 5, binigay nito, kukulang 3. Nuggets, nakuha ni number 6. Pinasa number 3. Number 3. Number 3, Nuggets, nakuha ni number 5. Number 5, pinasa ang number 35. Number 35, ano gagawin mo? Foul! Foul, number 13. First special foul, 13 foul.
Pumasok.
Binigay kayo nyo. Nakanino. Nakanino number 11. Number 11. Binigay kay number 6. Number 6. Number 6. 2 Number 5, dapat kapitan pero siluan na lang. Number 6, pasang number 13, number 13, pull up jumper, deploy. 15 shift, dahil number 16. 10 shift, may number 16 pa rin, bigigin number 25, foul, counter time dyan. Who's ball red? Number 11. First personal foul, running for penalty. Ball shot. Nugget. Now number 21. Number 21. 2 points, number 16. 5 seconds.